Hello guys, you are welcome to this video. I'm Zach at Opportunities Niche. In this video, I'm going to show you the first secret product in Expertnaire that you should be promoting as a newbie affiliate marketer. Okay, you don't have to create all the courses in the world. Courses are there in Expertnaire. Among these courses, I'm going to show you now. They are hottest courses that as far as you follow the trick I've showed you, that you should start talking about the particular product that you want to sell in all your social platforms so that people will come and meet things on ground that you have been talking about this thing. You are an expert in it. They will say, I want to start. Then you now give them the product from Expertnaire. And this product I'm going to show you, nobody can resist them because this is what is trading. Okay, so if this is your first time on my channel, I'm Zach at Opportunities Niche. Subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification because I always bring the latest trading online businesses you can do with your mobile phone, because what I'm going to show you now, you can do it perfectly with your mobile phone. Okay, so let's go into Expertnaire right now. Let's go to Expertnaire. Let me go to Expertnaire dashboard. Let me show you things right now. So you can see my name is Zakaria Saleh Ibrahim. So from the left, if you are using mobile, you can use mobile to do all these things. When you come here right now, before you click on this market on your mobile, remember you have to turn your phone on landscape. You click on marketplace, as you know. So the number one product, let me scroll. These are numerous products in Expertnaire right now. See, if anybody that wants to start making money, I don't know why you are not making money with Expertnaire. Every product is here. This mini importation, this first affiliate sale, this anybody that wants to learn mini importation, you don't have to create a product, promote this mini importation, you sell it, the person will buy it at 25, you earn commission at 50. See e-commerce. This e-commerce, this how to get sponsor for your music. There are a lot of people that want to get sponsor for their music. You sell this cost to them at 30,000, 700, you earn commission. So why are you not making money, guys? So let's come here. Yeah, I'm looking for the number one. It's Amazon. Look at it. Let me shift it up. So this is the number one, which is Amazon KDP passive income generator. Yes, this income is actually passive. See, guys, Amazon have make it so easy to publish a book without looking for ICBN, all those things. You know, you publish a book and start making money instantly. So because of that, a lot of people want to start making money from Amazon, in Amazon, by promoting, well, by publishing their book in Amazon right now. So what you do, guys, is that people don't know how to do it. A lot of people don't know how to start making money from Amazon. So you as an affiliate, you don't have to create a course. Come to Expertnaire. Pick this Amazon KDP passive income generator. The amount is 40k approximately. This 39,999 is 40k. The commission now you can see is 50. Let me scroll up so that you see this commission. Are you seeing it? This affiliate commission. So you scroll down. Let's scroll down to Amazon. You see it. So if you don't have to know, you don't have to buy this course. All you need to know is study, know it very well. Go for research on what is Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publication in Amazon. Browse it, Amazon KDP, read about it, know it very well. As an affiliate, you need to know your product you are promoting. You don't have to buy it, but if you want to buy it so that you just learn, you can also buy it. Okay, register on Expertnaire, start promoting this product. For you to know what this author have written about this product to convince people his faithfulness, all you need to do is click on this view affiliate link. This is my affiliate link. Now if I click on it, I will just pick my link from here. You understand, these are two links right now. As you can see, two links. I will just click on one of it. This will be video, this will be, I think this will be just text. So you click, I will click on it to copy it. I will open a new page. I will just paste the link I've copied, and I will check what the author have written to convince people that want to buy. You as an affiliate, you don't have to convince people. The job of an affiliate marketer is not to convince people, is to bring people, to show people the product that will solve their problem. What is the problem? People want to make money in Amazon by publishing book. They don't know how to go about it. Your own job as an affiliate is give them this this link, your affiliate link. They will come here and start reading what the author of this program promised to give them, and they will read everything. This is how he will convince them. It's not your job. Give them the link so you can help them. Okay, so that's how to get the link for each product. Okay, that is the first product. The second product is the is the freelancer. The freelance, please let me look for it. Let me scroll down. All right, there is it. Look at my cursor now. High paid freelance premium program. This is the second product I want to show you in Expertnaire right now. You can see this product is 35K, and wow, you'll be earning commission for 60%, which means you even make more money than the creator of the course for each sale you make. You are making more money, 60%. This is just too much. Expertnaire is just too much. I don't know why. So you go as you pick the link and start promoting. You can see you are making more than what the course creator of this course is making right now, guys. So why I've said this course is good to promote right now is because many people have already gotten some skill. So they want to know how to market their skills so that people, they want to be a freelancer so that people will be employing their services, their skill to work for them. People, commercial work, people that will be editing videos for them, you know, big company and businesses, what people that will be running Facebook ads for them. So those people that have those skills, they need to know how to monetize their skill, how they will get employed as a freelance. Okay, they will get job as a freelancer. You understand? So this course will talk about A to Z of how you get a skill and how you start making money with your skill. So there are many people outside there, guys, that want to monetize their skill. They don't know how to do it, that people will start seeing them for them to monetize, to become a freelancer. So anybody that want to be a freelancer now, your job as an affiliate is start calling people that want to be freelancer, that you have the solution to their problem. And when they say where is the solution, because you have been talking on it on YouTube, so many other places. So all you got to do as an affiliate is take this link and give them. The third product right now that I'm going to show you as the hottest product, we go to next page. These are product. You can see this is just one page. There are a lot of products. So you look at it, you go to the next page, which is page 2. So guys, so we're in the next page and I want to show you this e-commerce product. So a lot of people want to learn e-commerce because this is what is trading, guys. It is what is trading. People want to make money. I've also make a lot of video on how to start e-commerce even though you don't have money. Okay, even though you don't have money, you can start e-commerce in Nigeria by partnering with people. So people want to know how to start the e-commerce. People want to know how to start e-commerce. So you as an affiliate is to come to Expertnaire and pick this e-commerce money back, and it is 25,000 naira. And the this is not the one. This one is 40% commission. There is the one. This 40% commission is still okay. There is an e-commerce. You can see this one 25,000. The commission is 50K. So guys, you don't have to worry about the quality of Expertnaire product because Expertnaire have safeguarded that for you, because Expertnaire always make sure that a product or a course have a quality before they allow it in here you are seeing. Okay, so you start promoting, start selling, teaching people how to start e-commerce, and when they say they want to get started, give them the link to this product and they will buy it at 25,000 naira and you earn commission. Start talking about people how to make money with e-commerce. If you have not started e-commerce, come and buy this course to learn. If you are watching my video right now, you have not started e-commerce, tell me that you want to start e-commerce. I will give you this link so that you buy and learn it yourself. You start selling e-commerce product from what you have learned. And as an affiliate, you are making money from your e-commerce just like I'm doing right now. If you are going to my ad, you see I'm selling educational tablet and so many other things right now. And talking about e-commerce, people say they want to get started. All I need to go is just go here, pick my affiliate link and give to them. They buy it. It will help them. They will start e-commerce, making money with e-commerce. And as an e-commerce, as an affiliate, you can join with, you can also do affiliate marketing as a side hustle because it's easy. Anybody that say, okay, I want to start e-commerce from you, you don't have to create a course on e-commerce. All you need to do is pick this product I give to them and you earn 50% commission. That is 12,500 naira for just one sale, guys. This is easy. Okay, so and the last but not the least product I want to show you guys is about making YouTube channel. Let me look for that product in Expertnaire right now. I think it's on the third page. The fourth one is the YouTube channel creation link. Oh god, where is that? All right, here it is, guy. Here it is. Look at YouTube profit blueprint. Is 30,000 naira. The commission is 40%, which is very okay by Dr. Malik. So why I recommend this product, that a product you want to come in, is what is trending right now. A lot of people, everything has gone YouTube, everything has gone video. People want to, a lot of people have started a YouTube channel, they don't know how to make money from it. They are not making money from it. They are not getting enough subscriber. This course is the solution. If you have a YouTube channel right now and you are not making money from it, you don't know how to set a proper YouTube channel, or you have a YouTube channel but no subscriber, this course, if you have not started, you have started, tell me you want to start a YouTube channel, I will give you my link, I will earn commission. And if you want to be making what I'm making as commission earner, also register with Expertnaire. When you register as an affiliate, promote this course, because a lot of people want to monetize their YouTube. They don't know how to make money from their YouTube. They don't have enough subscribers. They don't even know how to make money from it. So this course is the solution. So you as an affiliate, because everybody has gone YouTube, comedian, artists, business people, everybody's on YouTube right now. They want to monetize. Pick this product and start selling it. It's hot product. These are product I want to show you. Then the oga kpatakpata of all of them, that is the fourth one. I say four. This one is just like an extra for everybody. This is the toughest product in Expertnaire, reasons being that 72 IG WhatsApp income blueprint plus implementation program, B9, 60,000. You can see the product is 60K, right? And the commission is also 50 for me. Not everybody. If you did not buy to your motor show course and just go and register 10K, you will not be earning this commission. You will see your own product will be B, the B part of this. And the commission will be 25% or 25% or 40%, I think, around that. And the main reason why people are promoting this product is that it contains everything as far as digital marketing is concerned. How to build website, email marketing, and the email you'll be sending. Everything. To your motor show is the owner, you can see, of Expertnaire, has given it out for free. So this course will also give you access to Expertnaire for 1 year. So you are not paying the 10K that you're supposed to pay to register again. So this course, why people are promoting, is that it's the solution to all, is the, let me just say, it's an encyclopedia of digital marketing. This course, I call it an encyclopedia of digital marketing because it teaches everything. I'm not the one hailing this course. That is why you see it. Almost everybody is promoting this course. Reason being that it's an hot course. Everybody want to learn email marketing, Facebook advertisement, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, WhatsApp marketing, sales funnels building. Everybody want to learn those things. Facebook and email, everything, automation, everything is in this course. And affiliate marketing is also here because Toyo Motoshi is the king of affiliate marketers. Okay, in Nigeria, he owns this the platform. So this is the one. But like I say in my previous channel, you don't have to promote what everybody is promoting. I'm promoting this course right now, and some other courses also. I promote many courses here. But as a newbie, you start with one. Start with one, okay? Pick one. Let's say YouTube. Start talking about YouTube. Start talking about YouTube in your channel. Start talking about YouTube in Instagram, in Twitter, in Facebook, in WhatsApp. Start teaching YouTube how to create YouTube, how to shoot YouTube video, how to edit YouTube video, how to get a lot of subscribers. People will come to you, I want to start YouTube channel. All you need to do, give them your affiliate link for YouTube channel. So you now, you have specified on YouTube. So you don't have to create the course yourself. You just give them the link to start. If you want to be talking about affiliate marketing, start talking about affiliate marketing, how to start making money from, how to start affiliate marketing in Nigeria, how to make money from affiliate marketing in Nigeria. Start talking about it on your Instagram, start talking about it on your Twitter, start talking about it on your YouTube. People will learn from you. People will come to see the work you have done. They will trust you that this guy have been into affiliate marketing for a long time. So let me go through him. I want to start affiliate marketing, guy. And what do? You have your product link, you just come and pick your link and give them, okay, give it to them, and you make money, 60% commission. And if you want to be talking about KDP, Amazon Kindle direct publication, start talking about it on your channel. People will say, I want to publish a book, I want to start making money from Amazon. Give them the link to Amazon. People will buy. As an affiliate, you earn your commission, guys. As easy as that. I don't want to make too much noise again. If you want to learn any of these things, If you want to learn any of these courses, you can buy the course. Okay, also learn. If you want to be a freelancer, buy the course. Tell me, Zach, I need to be a freelancer. I will give you the course. I don't have to create every course on earth. So, but there are people who have created nice courses, and they are here in Expertnaire. And you can see we are just in the third page, where there is page 4, 5, and even more. So guys, get started. Start making money. If you are not making money and you are an affiliate, start promoting any of this product. I told you, you will not make money till you start building audience, till you start building visibility, community. How do you do that? I told you, start talking about, start teaching for free. It's not sharp money. When this thing start working for you, it will be like just magic in your eye. Earning million, people are earning million per week. Okay, so people are doing it, so you can also do it too. Even though it's 50K you can make a week, it's okay. Because if you sell this product now, like this what is this 72 IG, you know how to promote your, you say just to, you are just making 60K in a week. As small, that is just the worst result you can get. So if you like this video, I give you value, give me a thumb up, like this video, comment, and also to support me so that people will be seeing my videos on YouTube. Also subscribe to my channel, because I will be dropping more videos on online businesses you can do with your phone. You don't need a laptop. I've shown you. Go to my channel, affiliate marketing, go to my playlist, affiliate marketing. You see how I did everything. You can do everything. This is not the only video I've made. I've made a lot of video on Expertnaire and affiliate marketing in Nigeria. Go to my channel playlist and go to affiliate marketing and see those videos I've made in details. Okay, thank you very much and God bless you. We'll see you in the next video.